Hey sports fans, it's 2025 and you know what that means. Another year of epic sports moments just waiting to happen. Whether you're all about that football life, can't get enough basketball, or live for those UFC takedowns, you need a reliable way to catch every heart-stopping play. That's where Kodi comes in, and today, we're diving deep into the best Kodi add-ons for sports in 2025. We're talking crystal clear streams, tons of options, and a whole lot of action. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. First up, we've got the crew. This add-on is like that friend who always has the hookup. We're talking live sports from all the major leagues, NFL, NBA, MLB, you name it. But it's not just about being there live. The crew also has a massive library of replays so you can relive those epic wins or catch up on games you missed. The interface is super clean and easy to navigate, even if you're new to Kodi. Trust me, with the crew, you'll feel like you're right there in the owner's box. Now before you hit that download button, let's talk about staying safe and secure while streaming. Using a VPN is crucial. It's like the defensive line for your streaming game, protecting you from unnecessary risks. My go-to is NordVPN. They've got servers everywhere, lightning fast speeds, and they don't mess around when it comes to security. Plus, you can grab a special discount using the link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, people. Alright, back to the crew. Another thing I love about this add-on is the customization. You can create your own watch lists, set up favorite teams, and even get notifications for upcoming games. It's like having your own personal sports center right at your fingertips. Next up is Mad Titan Sports, and let me tell you, this add-on lives up to its name. If you're a fan of high-octane sports like NFL, NBA, MLB, and UFC, then buckle up because Mad Titan delivers. We're talking high-definition streams, minimal buffering, nobody wants to miss a game-winning shot because of lag, and a huge selection of events from around the world. One of the things that sets Mad Titan apart is its dedication to quality. They've got a team of dedicated scrapers that are constantly searching for the best possible streams, so you're not stuck with some blurry, pixelated mess. Plus, they're always adding news sources, so even if one goes down, which happens in the world of streaming, you've got backups on backups. Another cool feature of Mad Titan is its integration with Tracked.tv. If you're not familiar, Tracked is like a social network for movie and TV show lovers, but it also works great for sports. You can track your favorite teams, see what games are coming up, and even get recommendations based on what you watch. It's a great way to stay on top of all the action and connect with other fans. Okay, football fanatics, this one's for you. Rising Tides is the go-to add-on for all things football, or soccer, depending on where you're watching from. We're talking live matches from leagues all over the globe. Premier League, La Liga, Champions League, you name it. And I'm not just talking about the big leagues either. Rising Tides has you covered with lower division games and even international tournaments. Now what really makes Rising Tides stand out is its focus on PPV events. We all know those can get pricey, but with Rising Tides, you can often catch them for free. I'm just saying, it's a great way to justify that new 4K TV you've had your eye on. Just saying. But it's not just about the freebies. Rising Tides is also incredibly reliable. They've got a team of developers who are constantly working to ensure the streams are up and running so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful game without any interruptions. Let's be real, some of us are just sports junkies in general. We don't discriminate. We'll watch anything that gets our adrenaline pumping. That's where Sport ID comes in. This add-on is like the Swiss Army knife of sports streaming. They've got a little bit of everything. Football, basketball, baseball, hockey, racing, you name it, they probably have it. One of the things I appreciate about Sport HD is its straightforward approach. The interface is clean, the categories are well organized, and finding the game you're looking for is a breeze. They don't bog you down with unnecessary features or complicated menus. It's all about getting you to the action as quickly and easily as possible. And when I say action, I mean high-quality action. Sport AD prides itself on providing reliable streams with decent resolution. They're not always going to be 4K, but they're more than watchable. And let's be honest, when the game is on the line, you care more about what's happening on the field, or court, or track, than the pixel count. Last but not least, we've got Asgard. This add-on is a bit different from the others on the list because it's not just about live matches. Don't get me wrong, they've got plenty of those, but Asgard also has an incredible library of sports replays, documentaries, and classic games. It's like a sports museum and a live streaming platform all rolled into one. Now, one of the things that makes Asgard so special is its commitment to quality. They offer a lot of their content in HD, which is always a plus. Because let's face it, nobody wants to relive those iconic sports moments in blurry, standard definition. We want to see every bead of sweat, every blade of grass, every detail that made those moments so memorable. Asgard is also constantly updating its library with new content. So whether you're looking to relive a recent nail-biter or want to take a trip down memory lane with some classic games from your childhood, Asgard has you covered. And there you have it, folks. Those are the best Kodi add-ons for sports in 2025. I know you're eager to get your game on, so go check them out, explore the features, and find the ones that best fit your viewing style. Just remember, before you dive into the action, make sure you're using a VPN. NordVPN is my top recommendation, and you can find a special discount link in the description below. And that's it, folks. These are the best Kodi add-ons for sports in 2025. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more streaming tips and tutorials. Also, drop a comment below on which add-on worked best for you. Stay safe, happy streaming, and I'll see you in the next video.